375, 51 to assist EMS, W and Maxwell.
10-4, it's going to be at Mobile and W. EMS 51 for a male who was slumped over in a Jeep with a black top. He's now awake. I have no idea what they need yet.
What are we doing? EMS leaving?
Yeah, I guess he answered the question right. He was like, all I did was I was looking down, and they got mad, thought I was asleep.
Does he seem like he's intoxicated?
He's talking funny, but I don't know if he just...
Probably not him.
Excuse me?
I thought you were going to take a further step back. And you're just going to, like, step into me.
Trying to figure out how far away it was to stop. And then I got a mission like, where the heck am I? And like, oh, I told her I was by the side. I was so immersed in it, like, I didn't have like the wheel down to like, oh, the light changed. So I apologize.
You're usually good to drive. What? Where are you headed to right now?
Girlfriend Ivy.
Do you need to get over?
Yeah.
You got room to back up once they get out of the way. Here we go. 3759.
What happened was then I was contemplating, and I got over the top, and the signs were going to go, and I was like, oh crap! Hey, I always told them, they were told them.
You answered all my questions correctly. He said he just was not paying attention, and then they got mad.
Yeah, I got immersed in that. He just backwards. Oh, dang!
Okay, do you have an ID or driver's license?
I apologize for this. No, I just got immersed. Like, oh, change.
Do you have any sort of medical problems at all?
No.
Nothing you take meds for?
Not 15 adult now. Well, that's not true. I broke my back. I had braces.
You have what?
I went braces. Got to my leg off. I wear braces.
Oh, okay. Let us check that. You have it. Okay.
Just hang tight. I'm going to pull my car up a little bit closer, okay?
109 for me. That one.
Oh.
He's an agent one.
What are you doing?
I'm just running them.
EMS leaving?
Yeah, I guess he answered all the questions right. And he was like, all I did was I was looking down, and then they got mad and thought I was asleep.
Does he seem like he's intoxicated?
He's talking funny, but I don't know if he just talks funny. He's kind of an old guy. You know what I mean?
Probably not him.
No. I don't know. It's a sex offender. You always gotta make sure. So, but I guess he answered all the questions, right? So. Excuse me.
Step back.
No. What did you see in the video? Okay, as long as you're gonna drive, just make sure you're paying attention, okay?
No. Actually, I was, that's when I was trying to figure out how far away it was to stop. And then I got a mission like, where the heck am I? And like, oh, I told her I was by the side. I was showing mercy, and it was like, I didn't have like the wherewithal to like all the way. So I apologize.
You're usually good to drive statewide the time either?
Definitely.
Okay.
I'll don't pull out. They make you stress for the time.
Where are you heading to right now?
I'm gonna go to a motel.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I was tired, but it wasn't tired back. So I remember my brain saying, where am I? And I got focused. Getting from the thing into what I was doing. It took me off my driving. Where am I? Come on. Yeah, I got it. Oh.
He's answered all my questions when I asked where he's going, year, what city, all that stuff.
He saw my son. He was a fighter at 20 years South
Okay, well, you're good. Alright. You haven't had anything to drink?
You guys are awesome.
You haven't had anything to drink today?
No.
No narcotics?
No, I haven't.
You've never? Okay.
I'm a paramedic in State Bus. I'm the top credential paramedic in this nation. Every 12 in this country that's in the thing, I put in with Bob Dave. For about 2 months, we didn't say, where's that guy? I'm a thief in a federal government. Oh, the FBI is going to do that. Gunshot wound with a pistol. They charge me. So I'm an entry agency out. This is the kind of thing see watch that happen.
Okay.
You kill a messenger, you get a service that doesn't
Alright. How about you just get on to your hotel, okay?